Guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we're going to be working on our part 2 reassembly to our X-15 super pocket bike. So I already went ahead and did all that crazy passing and all that stuff for the wire harness. I do have to still mount it all up. I still have to bolt down the cluster. I already cleaned down the cluster and painted it. It looks really good. On top of that, I talked about how we were going to try and save the front and the rear hydraulic handle and hydraulic brake. However, the front hydraulic brake made pressure, but it started leaking fluid. So I bought a new handle, and it's already here. I already got the battery today. All I need is to put it on and reassemble the bike. I painted all of the panels yesterday. It came out really good. I love the color. We've not done a bike this color, guys. Out of all of the bikes I've done, I have not done a bike this color, and it looks really good. I'm really excited. So on top of that, I had to buy the choke cable. I couldn't get the choke cable to engage when I got the bike, and usually I've had that happen before. Usually the inside of the sleeve where the handle goes in, the little slider, it just dries up. So I'm able to break it free. However, on this one, it was not the case. I'll kind of show you guys really quick. So this is what I mean by the clutch cable, guys. And so the clutch cable pretty much, it sits in a little locking pattern right here, and you pull and push this up and down to lock it. However, there's a lot of times people don't really know, and they start twisting these, and when you twist them and twist them and twist them and twist them and twist them, this is what happens in consequence. So this is no good. This is trash now. I did end up purchasing a new one, so I already have the new one here, so we're gonna have to throw in the new choke cable. We're gonna have to finish bolting up the carburetor because I pulled it back off again and drained it. I had to rebolt the carburetor. I have to bolt the battery mount, put the battery in, change the battery terminal plugs, bolt up the wiring harness, tighten everything up, put all the handles on. On top of that, guys, remember I talked about how our electric start was broken. So on the current bike, the unit is a kill switch electric start. So I have to rewire the whole thing because we're only going to be putting the the electric start, not the kill switch, because the kill switch is going to be the off position on our key. So I have to rewire that to where we are only going to be using our electric start. In order to do that, I have to have all of the wiring on there and be ready to have the battery on there with already a test fire and everything ready to go. So we're going to be doing that. I'm going to put you guys up on the tripod. I have to finish bolting up the motor because I did just put the 2 main bolts to hold the motor in place because I kept kicking around here in the garage. So I just bolted up the engine. We're going to finish bolting it up and bolting this entire bike up. All right, guys, hang out. gonna complete the restoration for my X-15 super pocket bike. Unfortunately, guys, I'm literally doing this video to a T, guys. The new owner just took it already, so I don't even have it anymore to show you guys what we accomplished with that bike. I did it this really sick aqua blue color, and it looked amazing, guys. I'm gonna use that color for some more bikes. It looked really good. So make sure you guys stick around, and if you guys like this kind of stuff and want to see some different kind of stuff maybe incorporated into it, make sure you guys let me know in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Till the next one.